What up, Internet? Rob and Corinne here, and we're getting a little practice in before the big game. Go long, Rob. Ow. Come on. What? Go short, maybe? Come on, dude. Yeah, shorter.
You're not throwing it right.
One more time, here.
This is the one. Ow, come on.
Sorry. Well, even though we're not great at playing football, the biggest football event of the season is right around the corner.
And thanks to YouTube and their paid promotion of this video.
Hashtag sponsored.
This week we're making one of the most ridiculous projects we've ever made on this show, the edible football stadium.
Not only is this an internet legend, but it's been suggested thousands of times by you guys.
I mean, between us, we know it's not just about the game, it's about the food.
I don't even watch the game. I just eat all the food and watch the commercials.
Speaking of commercials, you guys need to go on over to youtube.com/adblitz. That's the channel here where they got all of the commercials and all of the big game content that you want to see.
We've also created a playlist of our favorite big game videos, and we have pretty good taste, so you're gonna want to check them out.
We got a lot of shopping to do. We got a lot of things to prep for. We'll see you back at the house.
Okay. Okay, team, the big game's just a couple days away, and we got a lot of work to do.
Day one, stadium build.
Let's get started, shall we?
All right, first step, you're gonna need a base. This is an old cardboard box that I've been hoarding in the basement.
This thing definitely needs some green. Jeez. Oh, it looks a million times better already. Now we just attach the green cloth to the back with our push pins. And if you're neurotic like me, you're gonna wanna use all the green ones. What? You're supposed to use green.
Look at that, right? Now there are a ton of different ways to construct your stadium. I, however, discovered a YouTube video where somebody made them out of office supply organizers.
Brilliant. They look just like stadium seating.
And once you put them all together and you get the right dimensions, they make an entire stadium.
This is where Beyonce sits.
And to hold these up, I got these little cupcake holders that I'm gonna tuck right underneath them for support.
Yeah, it adds a whole new element. I love it.
All right, time to hot glue this thing down so chips and popcorn aren't flying all over the place on the big game day.
All right, that's solid. The playing field has been solidified.
All right, the next step, we gotta 2.0 this thing.
What does that mean?
That means that this stadium is going to be Bluetooth enabled.
What do we need the Bluetooth speakers for?
For the Jumbotron.
What?
Well, the mini Jumbotron,
Okay,
technically.
yeah.
I also got these little like LED stadium looking lights. We're gonna attach these
What?
right onto the ends with little zip ties.
It's so cool.
Turn the lights down in here.
Wow.
Yeah. God, this is gonna be awesome. Well, that's it for tonight. Next stop, Snacktown. Welcome back to day 2. The stadium has been built. It is now time to make some food.
And we have people coming over in like 2 hours, so we need to get a lot of stuff done in a little bit of time. So what are we making today?
I'm gonna make some chicken wing people. I don't know whether or not this is a thing or not, but I can just imagine some little chicken wings sitting in the stands with like little eyes and little mouths.
That's really weird.
And this is like an internet classic from back in the day, bacon buns. I secretly make them when you go out of town.
What?
Just saying. It pretty much just consists of bacon, mozzarella, and some dough wrapped up and deep fried. We got the deep fryer, we got the waffle iron for the donuts, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna waffle iron the crap out of some donuts. And then I also decided to try the grilled cheese roll-up. Yeah, I know. We better get to work. Let's get started, shall we? Do you want to do the coin toss to see who goes first? Let's flip a donut.
Yo, wait, what are you doing?
That's fine, we can still flip that. Do you want top or bottom?
I got tops.
I got bottom. Bottom! Started from the bottom, now we here. I'm still gonna eat this one.
What?
So basically, all you gotta do is take a donut and put it in a waffle iron. Smells like the carnival.
While she's doing that, I'm unwrapping some chicken wings over here and
Too much talking, there's burning. Oh my god.
open up the doors, open up the windows. Oh, what? Throw another one in there. You keep on.
Okay, it's gotta be like a conga line.
Yep.
Look at that.
Not bad.
Salting it up.
Well, I got all the salmonella all over my hands now. Now I'm touching all the
Well,
stuff.
you're supposed to rinse in between.
With salmonella.
No,
chicken germs everywhere.
You're a chicken germ.
You're a chicken germ.
Hey, don't get saucy with me.
Oh, I lost one. Oh, I lost 2 more.
You have to eat those.
45-second rule. Boom. And now you just put these in the oven for an unspecified amount of time. I'm saying until you think they're done.
They did know who they were hiring for this video, right? Next up, the grilled cheese roll-ups. You take a simple piece of white bread, cut the crust off, then you take your rolling pin and you just roll it out. And then you take this classic cheese. Look at how perfectly that fits on there.
I know.
Now normally, you know, I wouldn't use cheese like this.
Normally I wouldn't use the regular people cheese.
Okay, here we go.
Oh no, those look terrible.
Why do I fail at the most simple of tasks?
Well, we gotta taste them. Woo, woo, they're hot.
Well, you're gonna burn your mouth off.
Oh my god.
It tastes good, I'm sure. They
No,
don't.
the execution was terrible.
That was really hurtful.
Woo.
New plan. The donuts seem to work out pretty well, so I'm just gonna make donut grilled cheeses. You simply cut the donut. Boom. Shock-a-lock. All right, here we go. We're gonna cook it up.
Now over on this side, I'm making bacon bombs. Super simple. You take a little piece of dough here. You take a mozzarella ball. You wrap it up. Pinch it off. What? Is that bad? Next step, you grab some bacon, and we'll just throw that on the counter there too because
No! That's why we own cutting boards.
Alright, I gotta get a cutting board, I guess.
This is why the counter is all scratched up.
Now you just take that little ball of mozzarella dough and you wrap that up. You ready for this?
No.
Go in at your own risk, cameraman. Here we go. Check these out. Oh, you don't even know. Look at that, that looks good.
It looks good already. Yeah, look at that. Now we just gotta make 20 more of these. What's the time?
We've got 1 hour and 27 minutes.
Woo, Lord.
Chicken wings up, nice and crispy. Make sure that you get all the tin foil, or don't, you know, doesn't matter. I think I'm going buffalo for this first one. 59 minutes until guests arrive. I hope they are late.
Wow.
Nobody saw that. Boom. What better than a steaming hot pot of chicken wings?
A big baguette, that's what.
Oh, okay.
One of my favorite things at a party is a DIY sandwich making station. All you gotta do is cut your sandwich bread and then put lettuce and tomato inside, and then people can fill it with whatever they want.
We got 47 minutes. That's plenty of time. Look at all this food.
Still have to fill the entire stadium though. We got potato skins, we got mozzarella sticks.
Throw those in here for, I don't know.
We have little mini cheeseburgers.
We have absolutely no time left. These go right in the microwave like nobody's business. Boom. Yeah, and if you need any more recipes or more food or game content, just be sure you go on over to youtube.com/adblitz. They got plenty of that stuff over there.
Well, I think we did it.
We have got almost everything complete. Now we just gotta fill up the stadium, and that's simple. Now we just open up bags of chips, we throw them in there, boom, we're done.
Let's do it. We have 20 minutes.
What are you doing? Those are for the guests. We gotta get this thing out here. Come on, we gotta get it loaded up.
I got chips.
The stadium's filling up. People are coming to the game. They're bringing their friends. Uh-oh. You hear that? That's the doorbell, and we're not finished yet.
We're gonna be all right. Just give them beer.
We have severely miscalculated time. We did it! We got a whole room filled with people, and we have finished it! The giant edible stadium.
We got our little pizzas here. We got our chip sections.
Sandwich starters, pretzels, cheesy poofs. But that's not the best part. These are the winners right here. Donut waffles. Have you tasted these yet? Taste these. Right? Bacon bombs. Everybody loves a bacon bomb with a little bacon ranch dressing. The football field, as you can see here, you got some salsa, you got some sour cream lines on the scrimmage.
Wow, look at that.
And the chicken wing people.
They look a little creepy.
I know! For the people who want to get a little bit healthy, we got some broccoli and some tomatoes, huh? This thing looks amazing, and we've been doing this all day. I haven't eaten a thing.
I'm so hungry.
I'm starving.
Let's let everyone in to enjoy this beautiful masterpiece.
Dun, 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 dun.
Chicken people are delicious.
You gotta do a big dip.
Yeah, this is all fat free, right? Gluten-free. We're going streaking.
This is a donut waffle.
What?
Yeah.
It's a very
I forgot the
Bob's doing it.
Oh my god. Well, it looks looks like this was a hands-down victory.
That's right, Rub. From the bacon bombs to the grilled cheese, I would say this was a touchdown.
I mean, come on. Waffle donuts,
Taquitos.
chicken wing people. A big thanks again to YouTube for the paid partnership. I mean, come on, without them, this whole thing wouldn't have even been possible. Be sure that you check out YouTube Ad Blitz 2018 for more awesome videos ahead of the big game, and check out our game day playlist linked here down below in the description and pinned.
As always, make sure to subscribe.
Like up this video if you haven't done that already, and we'll see you around here next time.
Blue 42! Hut! Hey, where were you?
I'm over here.
You're supposed to be behind me.
What does Blue 42 even mean? I don't know what you're talking about.